Imagine a world where freelancers, event organizers, and communities unite on a single decentralized platform. So, we built Web3 Unity, where Web3 meets Unity. This is our project for the hackathon Hack with Gujarat. Web3 Unity is an all in one collaboration platform featuring Web3 powered freelance marketplace, event creation and NFT ticketing, and real time chat for seamless communication. So here, moving on to the project, we have the freelancing section over here. Over here, the freelancers as well as the clients, they can post their gigs and the freelancers can submit their proposals for the required gigs. Here, this is the procedure to fill on a form for the gig. We can set all of the required needs by the client and the minimum as well as maximum budget which the client wants, the deadline as well as the project duration, and then he can continue posting the gig. So as we can see, we have the entire gig information over here about which client posted the gig and what all are the requirements for the same. Now moving forward, on the other hand, the freelancers who are looking for the job can submit their proposals. This is the proposal form wherein the cover letter, the estimated budget by the client in Ethereum, and the delivery time. Moving on to the event section, here community events, webinars and workshops etc. all can be posted by the organizers and the people can register for them either free of cost or by buying a ticket. We have two payment gateways. If they have a wallet, then they can mint an NFT and move on with the transaction as shown in the video. Stripe as a payment gateway for our transaction. In this way, the customer can move on with the transaction without any wallet or any NFT. Next is the community section wherein we have different groups for different topics and users can chat in over the groups as well as discuss the important announcements. We implemented Socket.io in this so that real-time communication is possible. On the left hand, all the set of groups are visible as well as the users which are currently the part of the group. These are the notifications which are received by a client. We can even delete and as notifications. The profile page of the client is here. We can edit our profile information, our skills, the links to our social media handles etc. from here. Moving on to the settings page, over here also the client can manage the notification privacy profile as well as the appearance settings. And if the user is a client, then even client rating and the review count can also be edited by the user. At the last, we have logged out of the account, and this was our entire project as a submission for Hack with Gujarat. Thank you so much. We are the team Null and Void.